Hey everybody, my name is Drew, and today we're going to talk about custom field categories. So custom field categories are designed to let you better organize your custom fields so that they're easier to visually absorb and quicker to find what information you're looking for. And so you can group your custom fields using this in any way that makes sense for your workflow. So as examples, you might have a sign-up form that uses custom fields. So you can create a category that will just group all of these custom fields together so that they all make sense on the contact record. Um, Other things you might consider would be prospecting type fields versus account fields, or business fields versus just personal contact information fields. So just a few ideas right there, but you can really make of it whatever you like. Also, just note that this is the kind of thing that is going to be particularly useful for people who use lots of custom fields. So if you're only using a handful of custom fields or you're not using them at all, this may or may not be especially useful for you. So let's take a look at it, because this is the kind of thing that's actually quite simple to set up and was kind of just a do once and you're probably going to be done with it kind of a task. So first of all, I'm going to show you what contacts look like that don't have this. So we're looking on a contact record, and then here are the custom fields. It says core fields right there. That's basically just the default category for custom fields. And you may or may not see this as well on the contact record. It might just all be under custom fields. So let's take a look at what like how you can set up these custom field categories. So we're going to go to the settings page, which is the bottom left of the sidebar. You can then go under account and click on customize. The same customize field or button can also be found under your CRM settings. It'll take you to the same place though. We're going to look at the fields card right here, and we're going to choose contact fields for this example, but you are able to do this for account and opportunity fields as well. And we're looking at all of our existing custom fields. You can see this button right here that says Manage Categories. Click on that and create new category right here. So we're going to name our new category here. We're going to call it Sign Up Form Fields because that's going to be the example here. We're going to pretend that we have a sign up form, and we just want to group those fields that are part of the sign up form. So we're going to hit the Create button once we're done. You're able to reorder these as well, so it can be in whichever order you would like. When you're done, hit OK. And there we go. Now we can see we've got our core fields right up here, as well as our sign up form fields here, but there's no custom fields in this category because we haven't added them yet. So this is something you need to do. And so we're going to find our fields. I think we're going to just do these four right here at the very bottom. So you find the field that you want to change category for, and then you go off to the right and you can see this drop down here that says core fields. Click on that, and in this case we're going to choose the new category that we want them to go into, which is sign up form category. As you can see, once I selected the new category for that field, the field was instantly added over to the new category sign up form. Just going to do this a couple more times. And there we go. We have now grouped a whole bunch of fields, all based on different categories. And we can still choose what order we want these to be in based on just dragging and dropping them. just know that you can't drag and drop fields from one category to another. You can only drag and drop them within a single category. All right, also, when you are making a new custom field, I'm going to select one right here, you're able to categorize your custom field upon creating it. So as you can see here, creating a new custom field, there's this category drop down right here, and we can select different categories right there. Now let's check our work. We're going to click on contacts and go into that example contact that we were looking at earlier. And there we go. We now have under custom fields, our core fields, as well as our sign-up form fields. And things are a little bit tidier now. Also, there's a cool added bonus here too, where as you can see, these are both expandable and collapsible, which also gives us an opportunity to kind of tighten up the display on our contact records. And the system will simply remember what the way you left it last. So let's say in this example that these sign-up form fields here, they aren't really something that we need to be able to just see at a glance going forward. So I've just collapsed them. And then when I refresh the page, they stay collapsed. So it just kind of tightens up the information that we are seeing on the contact record. All right, so that's about it. A really easy way to better organize your information and stuff that you see on contact records. So I hope that this makes your CRM experience a little bit better. Thank you so much.